Want to make your Google form stand out? Here is how to quickly customize it with themes and images in just a few clicks. First, open your Google form. On the top right, click the Paint Palette icon. This opens the Theme Customization panel. From here, you can change the header image, background color, and font style to match your brand or mood. To add a header image, click Choose Image. You can select from Google's built in themes or upload your own. If you're designing for a specific event or business, a custom image really makes the form feel more professional. Once the header is in place, Google automatically suggests matching colors for your form background, but it can still fine tune the background and accent colors yourself to match exactly what you want. Don't forget to pick a font style that fits your vibe, whether it's formal, playful, or minimalist. These small tweaks can make a big difference in engagement. That's it, a customized Google form in under 2 minutes. If this helped you out, make sure to like and follow for more quick tutorials just like this.